Hi guys, good morning. As you guys can see, we're still in the same closet as yesterday. So come spend the morning with us. I'm gonna make the bed. Like I'm gonna put the phone. So let's go. Yeah. Oh, so now it's time. Not time actually. Take it one. Oh, na may kalada, hindi pa ang mga school. Nakamosa sa sudah. Ya almost done. Cuma kan tahu. At least sudah make out happy. Put a little things away. Sorry. Yeah. Yung kasi put sa tulo sa akin na ko ko din susunod. At na. Ya, yan hindi din sa na. Sa tayo din. So, yeah. Now we can make it up so yeah guys, we now done making it up so yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna put the stuff away. So we're done actually what let me open the curtains. Shoot. Ah! Go back to this. So, bye guys.